My name is Chidebere and I am not Igbo. I don't want to be Igbo. Anyway, that is what Ikwerre people are saying.
Ikwerre is an ethnic nationality. Once again, Ikwerre is an ethnic nationality with 14 dialects. Just like we have the Igbo ethnic group, the Yoruba ethnic group, Ikwerre is also an ethnic group, for Christ's sake.
Me that is telling you that we are Igbos. All the names in Ikwerre land, all the names of our community, all of them reflect in Southeast. If you have Ishokpo, you still have Ishokpo there. All our Ikwerre villages are all replicated in the Southeast. So who is coming to deceive us? We are not Igbos. No one can deceive us anymore. Go and do your DNA test. Once you do your DNA test and it proves that we are from Edo, I will drop this movement. I will drop it.
This is Mr. Chimenum Amadi, who is impersonating to be an Ikwerre guy from Rumehua community. On a closer look, we conducted a research in Rumehua community and we found out that he doesn't exist. These are paid people who come online impersonating to be from the Ikwerre ethnic nationality. Meanwhile, they are not. The likes of Unamem TV hire these actors to impersonate different ethnicities, which they are not from.
Hello, wonderful people. I welcome you today. I still remain your own faithfully Chukwemeka. I am a Unified Igbos Now proponent and also the convener of the Unified Igbos Now movement. Actually, it is very, very important at this time to make this video and explain one or two things. I also recognize the fact that we are becoming so influential. So it is very, very important that we clear some doubts regarding some people who has been making videos going around the internet saying that Namen TV, which is my person, has been paying actors to impersonate people from Ikwerre, people from Oba, people from Ika, people from Ukwani, and all the rest of all the Igbo communities that are carved outside the state. Actually, such information is false. And utterly very, very disrespectful to say that an Ikwerre person, the Ika man, the Oba people, the Ukwani people who are working for the interest of a unified Igbo nation, that they are being paid. It is an insult. So that is why I must make this video to address these issues. First of all, let's talk about our brother who is the voice of the Ika people. This brother, you must give him credit for doing exactly what God has sent him to do, that is liberate his people, to preach the message of whom he is convinced that he is truly an Igbo man from Ika tribe. So talking about other people like Almighty, our brother from Ogume, and also Deputy Jesus, that is Chukwemeka Kogolo. These are real people. Are we talking about our brothers in on the Chokwani, which is Henry Ube and Paul Egbema, aka Boyobu? These are real people. They know their stories. They know their true stories. Is it our amiable barrister Forchi, also from Ukwani, Obiaroko Ukwani? So how would you insult all these people? It is an insult for you to go around propagating that I paid these people to impersonate. Where would I get such funds? Who is sponsoring me? Well, this is not what we are here to talk about. Not people but to solidify and also to clear the doubts in your mind that these people are not, they are Igbo people, they are Eka people, they are Ukwani. We are all Igbo. There is no Ukwani without Igbo. There is no Igbo without Ukwani. So it is all together. We are one people. So talking about our brother also, Chimenum Amadi, whom this same crew unprofessionally went to Odegun to disgrace themselves, to cajole themselves for whatever reason. This young brother has also cleared this doubt. He has gone there. He has gone to his village because he is from there. And he has given you proof, which this proof is what you are about to watch now. So I will advise that you watch these videos, advise yourself, call yourself in order, and let history play out. This is the time. This is the time of an identity revolution. These people are waking up. So you have to wake up to your own slumber. If you are an Ikwerre person and you don't accept yet that you are an Igbo person through your name, through your food, through your culture and your tradition, through everything, even your community names, then you are still sleeping. You are still in a deep slumber. And I am not at fault for your slumbering. You better wake up now and proclaim your Igbo identity. This is the time. We are becoming more powerful. We are becoming more powerful as in the Igbo. Together, we shall stand. Together, we shall all liberate the Igbo nation out of this identity conflict. Igbo man is an Igbo man. Nothing takes him away from that. Thank you. Remain blessed. I say remain your own faithfully Chukwemeka. Thank you and God bless.